Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode which is 3174 clear digit. Okay, so here is given a string and you have to remove all the digits. Okay, and delete the first digit and the closest non-digit character to its left. Okay, so here is given, if you delete this from a left you have to delete B also and 3 also, and after this 3 and 4, sorry, C and 4 you have to delete C also. Okay, here is given an explanation, so let's do this code. First you have to create stack of ints st, and then I will traverse through for auto ampersand ch and s, and again I will check if is digit function, this is digit function, and check it if it is digit or not, and if it is digit then I will go to the if st.empty, then I will do st.pop, and else I will do one thing, st.push sch. Okay, and after this sorry, this is in for loop, and after this I will create string answer which will store the answer value, and again I will check while st.size is greater than 0, then I have to do answer plus st.top. Okay, and after this I just have to pop st.pop, and at last I just have to reverse the answer dot begin comma answer dot end. Let's run this code. Whether sorry, after this I just have to return the answer. Let's run this code. Sorry, auto, it's auto. Let's run this code. Again s plus equals to st dot top. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit it. This has been submitted. Thanks for watching.